Hello everyone, back with me again, Joseph, your host, and welcome back to Catechism for Kids. Today, we're going on an amazing journey to Russia to discover one of the oldest and most beautiful images of the Blessed Virgin Mary. It's called Our Lady of Vladimir, but you might also hear it called the Theotokos of Tenderness. That's a big word, but it just means Mother of God, of Tenderness, and you'll soon see why. So what does this special picture or icon show? It shows Mary holding the baby Jesus, and their faces are gently touching, cheek to cheek. Jesus has his little arm wrapped around his mother's neck in a warm, loving hug. It's such a sweet and tender moment, isn't it? This beautiful image is loved by Christians all around the world. It's more than just a painting. It's like a window into heaven. It's helping us feel closer to God. There's a very old tradition that says this icon was first painted by Saint Luke the Evangelist, the same person who wrote one of the Gospels in the Bible. Damn, we don't know for sure, but we do know this icon is very, very old. The original one you can see today is over 900 years old. It's kept in a special museum called the Tretyakov Gallery in Moscow and is considered a huge treasure of both art and faith. Over the centuries, this icon became a powerful symbol of God's love and protection. People believed it was miraculous. Whenever danger or war came near their cities, they would carry the icon in big parades, called processions, and pray for peace. And guess what? Many times, peace was restored. Now, if you look closely at the icon, you'll notice something interesting. Even though Mary is holding Jesus so lovingly, her eyes look a little bit sad. Why do you think that is? Well, it's believed that she is looking past the present moment and into the future. She knows that one day, her son, Jesus, will suffer on the cross to save the world. So her expression shows both her deep love for him and her sorrow for what he must go through. This special type of icon, showing this tender but thoughtful moment, has a Greek name, Lusa, which means tenderness or compassion. It reminds us that Mary is full of compassion for all of us, her children. So what does this icon teach us, kids? First, it shows us that God's love for us isn't distant or scary. It's personal, gentle, and warm. It's like the hug between Mary and Jesus. The Bible tells us in the book of Isaiah, "As one whom his mother comforts, so I will comfort you." This icon is a perfect picture of that comfort. Second, it teaches us that Mary isn't just Jesus' mother. She's our mother too. We can talk to her, tell her our worries, and know that she will wrap her prayers around us, just like she's holding her son. In the icon, Mary often has one hand pointing towards Jesus. This is her way of saying, "Look at my son, come closer to him." She always leads us to Jesus. Let's talk about the incredible journey this icon has been on. After being painted, it stayed in Jerusalem for a long time, then was moved to a great city called Constantinople. In the 1100s, it was given as a gift to a prince and eventually made its way to Russia. It was moved to a city called Vladimir, and that's how it got its name. A huge, beautiful church was built just to house this special icon. For about 300 years, the icon stayed in Vladimir, and during that time, countless stories of miracles were told. People who prayed before it felt God's help in their lives. The icon even survived a big fire that burned down the church it was in. It also survived when enemies tried to steal and destroy it. It always seemed to be protected. Now for one of the most famous stories. In the year 1395, a powerful and fearsome conqueror named Tamerlane was about to attack the city of Moscow. People were terrified. So what did they do? They brought the icon of Our Lady of Vladimir to Moscow. For 10 days, the people walked through the streets with the icon, praying for a miracle to save their city. On the very night the icon arrived in Moscow, Tamerlane had a dream. In his dream, he saw a tall mountain, and from it came a group of holy priests. Floating above them was a majestic woman, shining with a brilliant light, surrounded by countless angels holding fiery swords. They all rushed towards him, and he woke up terrified. He asked his advisors what the dream meant. They told him that woman is the Mother of God, the protector of the Russians. Hearing this, Tamerlane was so shaken that he commanded his entire army to turn around and leave. Moscow was saved. The people believed it was Mary through her holy icon who had protected them. This icon teaches us a simple but powerful lesson. God's love is always tender and near. It's not far away up in the sky. Every time we look at this image of Mary and Jesus, we're reminded of that close, comforting love. Mary's love for Jesus is the same kind of love she has for each and every one of us, gentle, warm, and always there to protect us. So, the next time you feel worried or need a little comfort, remember the image of Our Lady of Vladimir. Think of that gentle hug and know that Mary, our Heavenly Mother, is right there with you, leading you to her Son, Jesus. Thanks for joining me today, everyone, learning about this incredible icon. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more stories from our amazing faith. Take care, everyone. Stay safe and healthy. See you next time, and God bless you always.